Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have my disco light and my wireless controller and lots of other things that use these DMX inputs. And what I have here, right there, is a set of a bunch of DMX cables. Look at this. So we have a whole variety of them here. Well, not a variety, we have a whole bunch of same ones here. These are DMX cable extenders. You see it's 3-pin to 3-pin there. And just have a bunch of those, and they come with, each one comes with a little Velcro thing, even though they're twist tied currently. Once we do it, we can Velcro it there. So let me just go ahead and open one of these up and show you guys what we got. So these are nice, good cables. They kind of got some good flex to them and stuff. They're not super stiff. So I can go ahead and plug it in to my DMX in, if that was it there. If that's it there, and if I have another one here, if I want to go DMX out, I'll use the other side. So DMX out would be this one here. So there we go. So they can plug them in. I could even create a whole loop if I really wanted to. I'm not sure what that would do. Never actually tried. But but you see, they're super easy, nice cables. They are good. They have the nice metal clip here with this little spring that holds it in place. On that side, on the other side, it doesn't have any holder in place, but these are nice cables, so you get a whole set of a bunch of them. So if you're going to be connecting up your whole sound system and stuff, I have a bunch of other systems here. I have a whole wireless system for it here with different mics and stuff like that and everything. So we have the cables, so we're able to use it all. So very cool system here. And so if you need these cables, this looks like a really good set to get. Thumbs up for sure.